Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
This video will give the demonstration to import mobile serial numbers from Excel file. Under Purchase menu, click to open Assign SIM mobile number against purchase. Select the purchase voucher from the list. Then, select the items. You can find the Excel option. Browse the Excel sheet from the device. Serial numbers will be automatically imported and assigned to the items.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.